All right, folks, how we doing? So I want to make a quick video. This is probably going to be the last video I'm going to do on this channel because I have some other stuff I want to talk about on my other channel, my Street Rat 702 channel. All right, all the combined one word, capital S. All right, I talk about a lot of the tourist attractions here in Las Vegas or whatever in good taste. Okay, it's kind of the balance. I don't know myself out from all these different conscious talk and news videos. Okay, so this article now, so it's very interesting. Okay, it's about a Cook County in Chicago case of a mother. Her name is Rebecca Furlet. Okay, this comes from Fox 32 News in Chicago, and I saw some other videos, I think from Anthony Brian Logan. I want to give him credit for his insight on it. All right, and WGN, and this woman has lost custody of, not lost custody, but lost visitation rights because she did not accept the vaccination. Okay, or not administer, chose not for it to be administered to her. Okay. The person is behind this, who ruled this, is Judge James Shapiro. I guess he must be like a family district court judge up there in Chicago. All right. I guess he was arguing that by her not being vaccinated, then she may be endangering the life of her son. Okay, so yeah, basically that tells me the father has custody of the child, and I guess she gets the visitation rights and so forth. However they're going to do that, but it's supposed to be 50-50 from what I understand. Okay, first of all, I do want to commend the father for having the child, staying with him, and being able to raise a son, or having any visitation to a certain fault or whatever, that he's at least involved in the son's life. Okay, but I gotta say that, hey, that judge has pretty much extended beyond and violated his jurisdiction. Okay, that's really none of his business on number one, if she gets the vax or not or whatever. Okay, and if that applies to visitation, because according to statutes, I don't think that being vaxxed or whatever is part of the mandates or whatever. Okay, so, and I gotta tell you, that ain't right. You know what I mean? So that's her business if she wants to get vaxxed or whatever. Okay, and I guess that's the thing that the family is going to have to deal with or whatever. Okay, between the father, this one, woman, Miss Furlet, and the child, on how they want to, or how they feel about the vaccine. Okay, so it's almost like he's trying to say, like, to force her to do it. Okay, or trying to strong arm this woman to do it if she wants to see her child. Okay, I do know, according to the articles, that she's going to appeal it, and she has the right to appeal it. Okay, and I think she's probably going to come out on top, being that this, I guess, personal mandate that this judge made is not in the statutes. Okay, I don't know about something about having a vax being in any statutes or whatever when it comes to visitation in any state. Okay, that you have to have a certain shot of vaccine. I think as long as this woman doesn't do anything inhumane to that child, all right, or try to put his life in danger. Okay, I'm saying doing something stupid. All right, as far as in like a mistreatment. All right, and there hasn't been no reports on that. I'm gonna tell you what I think that happened. I just think that the judge got caught up in his feelings. Maybe he didn't like this woman, or maybe he didn't like the attorney. And I think that this may have caught this woman directly or indirectly. But then again, who's to say that the father may have pulled some strings or whatever with the lawyer, with his lawyer, with that judge or whatever, okay? Because really, hey, don't get it twisted or whatever. Sometimes these lawyers, some of them, not all, okay, some are in the good, but some of these lawyers are not your friend, you know? Like, they care about probably getting what they want out of you, all right? And that applies to these people. Or sometimes, like, you can probably win the case, but you're going to go through a lot of money and a whole lot of hoopla to get it, okay, with these judges. All right, and some these judges and these attorneys, sometimes they got deals worked out under the table. All right, so really indirectly, all right, between the judges, the police, and these attorneys or whatever, I mean, they already got a lot of this stuff already figured out, okay? Unless you just, you know, flat out wrong, whatever, to where they really have no other choice and the attorney can't offend it. You know, he may say, well, there's no way that I can, you know, defend this. How can I say no? But yeah, this seems like this is a very, like, a personal matter, okay? I think that it will be appealed. I guess it's just a matter of the process of the courts of time. And I believe that this is going to be overturned, okay? But you can see how sometimes the courts are, how dirty the courts are or whatever, okay? I had to experience that here a few years ago, okay, where I think that the judge didn't like me based on what was said about me or whatever, okay, and didn't get a chance to actually read what was said, okay? And she got caught up in emotions, and you really can't really lead or make judges with based on emotions or whatever, okay? Emotions versus facts. All right? And that's what I just think that happened in this case. Good luck to that woman. But I think you need to know, ladies and gentlemen, the information that I'm pumping out, some of the scenarios or whatever, okay? And that this man had pretty much, I don't know, stretched his authority beyond, you know, beyond scope. All right, that's it. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. Let me know what you think about this case. Check out some of the other videos. See your likes, shares, okay? And subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. All right, peace.